darker at night than I thought it would be. What? No, I just dropped my phone. Yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Actually, hey, I'm gonna send you a quick picture of my outfit, okay? Yeah, hold on a sec. Yeah, what do you think? Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah. Wait, can you just hold on a sec? What?